Hey everyone, I'm just gonna try to edit this page a little bit more. I think what we got conference 80 here, and now we're on to conference 81. So what I'm gonna try to do is put conference 81 here, but leave conference 80 here, but get rid of all these links and just leave this link here to the conference 80 in case anybody wants to refer back to this. Okay. Okay, so I'm logged into Wild Apricot and I'm gonna just click on admin view, wait for it to load, and now we're gonna add a new page. Okay, so we get a new page that's blank. I'm gonna give it a name, conference 81. Okay, so I named it conference 81. Now we're just gonna hit save, and I put it on home page, and I put it in admin only view, so only admin can see it. We hit save, and it's over here in the wrong spot, so let's see if we could try to get it moved over. So let's hit edit, and just gonna scroll down. And after selected page, we're going to put, and we're going to scroll down to here. We have conference 80. Let's put it after that. See if that fixes it. Okay, so yeah, that put it in the right spot. So now let's try to get rid of all these links here that because this conference is over, so we don't really want to highlight those links. So let's see if we can get rid of these links on this page. So let's go to conference 80, open up these tabs and see if we can remove these links. Okay, so I don't want to delete the pages, I just want to remove the links. So they have a little plus button here. Just going to click that. Okay, so that brings up all these different links. Now I'm just going to click on it and click on the page, but remember, I don't want to delete the page. So if we hit this I here, we could edit it or delete it, but we don't want to delete it or trash it. What we want to do, I mean, it wouldn't be a catastrophe, the conference is over, but and these are backed up anyway. But anyway, we just want to get rid of the link. So let's hit edit, and just gonna click not on the menu. Down here you can see, like, you can have it restricted to different groups or admin only or public, and we have it on public, and then we're just gonna remove it from the menu. So then we hit save, and now it should go away from the menu. And so let's just do that for all our pages here under conference 80. So go to this one, edit, not on the menu, save. Go back to conference 80, schedule, edit, not on the menu, save. Okay, so I didn't delete anything, so everything's still here. So if I go back to conference 80, all the links are still here in the page. You can still get to everything, but we don't have anything pulling it down. So now we want to add pull downs here, but I'm going to allow main office group to work on whatever they want to put in there. So, but maybe we'd put up like a coming soon page after this when you click on this Conference 81, because now it just goes here. So maybe we'd fill this in with a coming soon. So I'm just going to hit edit, and we got these tools over here. Now remember, this is in admin view only, so still nobody can really see this. So let me just log out to show you what it looks like when you're logged out. See, so we log out and you can't even see it. It's not there. So I'm just gonna log back in. Okay, so I logged back in so we can see the Conference 81 and the Conference 80, and I'm just going to add something here. You can under this page, so there's nothing here right now, but maybe we'll just put like a Conference 81 coming soon. So we're going to hit edit, and you can see there's these page, which is what we used to set up the page. We named the page and we put where we wanted it. We wanted it after Conference 80, and we have it in admin view only, so only administrative people can see it. We could change that to public later. So we're just gonna, but then we have these gadgets and layout. So you can lay out your page with different columns, but we're just gonna leave it as one column. But if you lay it out as two columns, you can add a column in, and you can convert back and forth between one column and two column. If I wanted two columns or one column below the two columns, that turns green, and I can put that below. So I could put something over here, maybe a slideshow, and then write a paragraph over here for the two columns, however you want to do that. But we're just going to stick with one column, so we're just going to hit the delete button. You can just delete these right out, and you get back to where you were. Okay, so I'm going to click on gadgets. Oops. Click on gadgets, and I'm going to put in, there's all these different tools. I don't really know how to use some of these tools. I've never really used a lot of them. But the custom HTML, if you just want to write some code. So I'm just going to drag and drop that in there. And now it's just like before. It turns dark. I click on it, and the orange box appears around it. Now I can say edit code, and it says insert your HTML here. So we're just going to delete that, and we're going to put it center, and we're going to say that the font size, we're going to put font size equals 5, and we're going to say Conference 81 coming soon, and we'll end our font tag. Oops. If I can type font, and we'll enter end our center tag. Oops, got my ending and center. Okay, so then we'll hit save, and we see Conference 81 coming soon. Okay, so we'll just save that there, and we can change that. We can add and change this as much as you want, but I'm going to leave that up to main office. Okay, so eventually you're going to want to make some pull downs for this page. So like on this one for Conference 80, we had the schedule, course description, guests. So eventually you're going to want to make a whole, in each of these there's a different page. So eventually you're going to want to make a whole bunch of pages, probably, depending on how you lay it out. I mean, it's completely up to you. But so if you want to make pull down, so you just go in here, edit, and we're just going to add a new page, and the page is blank. You can drop as many gadgets in, but we want the pull down under Conference 81. So we're going to say child of selected page. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to go, there's all these different places you can put it. We could put it anywhere, but we want it underneath Conference 81. So, and we'll just give it a name, say Carudus 1. And okay, so we'll save that one. And now we have Carudus 1 underneath here, and that's just another blank page ready to be edited. So if we wanted to edit that page, we'd click edit, drag and drop whatever tools, we're going to cancel. Okay, so then maybe we want another page under here. We want Carudus 2 under here. So we'll go to edit, we're on the, and we'll create another page, and we'll put, I'm sorry, we wanted to add another page, cancel, add a page, and we'll say Carudus 2, and we want that under child selected page, and we also want that one to go under Conference 81. So we'll click on Conference 81 and hit save. Okay, so now we got 2 pages ready for content. So they both look the same. Okay, so that's how you would add all the tabs underneath there. So I'm just going to delete those now. Move to trash. Okay. So it asks if you want to undo that. No. So there we are. So it's all ready to be edited, and I think we left that in public. So we got that in public so everybody can see it. So that's pretty much it. So I hope that kind of helps. The best way is just to get in here and start working with it, and just trial and error. You'll figure out how things work. It's not too hard. It's actually pretty user-friendly platform. All right, thanks. We'll see you.